Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high protein, super umami, super healthy, super quick and easy mini burger snack made with black beans, but tastes super delicious, so addictive. But don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of black beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a food processor. Along with a can of drained and rinsed mushrooms. Half a cup of tahini. Half a cup of rolled oats. A quarter teaspoon of smoked chipotle powder. And half a teaspoon each of onion, garlic powder and salt. Next, blend it until smooth. Press it through a piping bag into mini burgers. Then bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now enjoy super tasty and super healthy mini snack burgers. Thanks for watching.